In a world where AI is reshaping every industry, one of the best ways to build a successful online business in 2025 is to tap into the power of automation. Here on Robo Wealth Tube. I'm going to walk you through a clear step-by-step roadmap for starting an AI automation business from scratch, one that can help businesses save time, reduce costs, and stay competitive. If you're looking for a future-proof, low-investment online business with huge growth potential, stick around, because this is how you can build it. How to start an AI automation business in 2025. In the first video, we talked about why AI is the biggest online money-making trend for 2025. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an AI automation business from scratch. A business you can launch with almost no upfront investment and one that has massive income potential. So if you're ready to build a future-proof online business, stick with me until the end. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The first step is choosing a niche. AI automation can solve problems for almost any industry, but the key is to focus. Here are a few examples. Restaurants. Chatbots for bookings and customer service, e-commerce, automated review monitoring and replies, coaches and creators, AI-powered social media planning and post generation. Why is this important? Because focusing on a specific niche makes you an expert. Clients are more likely to hire a specialist than a generalist. So pick an area you understand or are passionate about and build from there. Step 2. Learn the tools. Step 2 is learning the tools you'll be using. The best part, you don't need coding skills. Here are some platforms that make AI automation a breeze. ChatGPT or Claude. For AI content generation, Make, Zapier or N8. For automating workflows, Botpress or Voiceflow for building AI-driven chatbots. All of these platforms have drag-and-drop interfaces and lots of templates, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical background, to get started. Step 3. Build a simple service package. Step 3 is creating a service package that you can offer to potential clients. Here's an example of a basic package you can sell. AI chatbot development for websites and social media, automated review monitoring and customer support, AI-driven content generation for social platforms and email marketing. You can price these services as a one-off setup or an ongoing monthly retainer. Even charging $500 to $1,000 per project or $200 to $500 per month can quickly build a solid income stream. Step 4. Get your first clients. Step 4 is finding your first clients. Build a simple website or portfolio page. List your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Offer a special discount or free trial for early clients in exchange for a testimonial. Leverage online communities, forums, and social platforms to connect with businesses in your niche. The goal here is to prove your expertise and build trust. And once you have a few successful case studies, you can raise your prices and grow. Step 5. Scale and automate.
Finally, step 5 is scaling your AI automation business. As you gain experience, hire virtual assistants or collaborators. Build automated pipelines using platforms like Zapier or Make to save time. Add more services or niches, expanding your offerings as your brand grows. The best part? This business model is highly flexible and can evolve with new AI tools, making it a future-proof, long-term online income stream.
That's it. In 5 steps, you can launch an AI automation business in 2025, one that can help businesses save time, reduce costs, and tap into the AI revolution. If you want a detailed roadmap, a list of the best tools, or help with crafting service packages, drop a comment or click the link in the description. Stay tuned to Robo Wealth Tube for more AI-driven online business ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.